Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So in the previous class we were studying introducing Python. So today we are starting print function. The print function is used to display the output of any command on the screen. It can also be used to print the specified messages. For example, let us see an example. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. It means that Python differentiates between capital and small letters. For example, print P capital and print P small are two different things for Python, where print is a valid command in Python, while print is just a word and not a command. We can also pass more than one argument to the print function. In such a case, the arguments are separated by commas, as shown in figure. Using idle as a calculator. To evaluate an arithmetic expression, it is not necessary to use the print function. If we type an arithmetic expression at the Python prompt and press the enter key, the interpreter automatically evaluates it and shows the result. In this case, the interpreter acts as a simple calculator. The expressions are evaluated using operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. The basic BODMAS rules are followed for performing calculations. For example, so these are the examples. So there is a tip. In idle, you can press Alt plus P to repeat the previous command. Let's know more. The Python idle, that is Integrated Development and Learning Environment, executes the instructions one line at a time. Variables in Python. If you need to store some food for future use, what will you require? Well, you will need a container to store the food. Similarly, when you are working with the values in Python, you require some storage to hold values for later use. Such storage locations are known as variables. A variable can store only one data value at a time. Where a new value is stored in a variable, its previous value gets overwritten. A variable is a named memory location that stores the data and whose value may change during program execution. The assignment operator. Values are assigned to variables using assignment operator. For example, the statement x is equal to 25 assigns the value 25 to variable x. So that will be all for today. Thank you everyone and Jai Hind. Remaining topics will be covering in the next module. Thank you.